Hey there, today we're going to look at how to use Odoo CRM as a beginner. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to odoo.com over here, create a free account. After that, add your name, company name, and phone number. Then click on Start Now. Then, once you're in, it will show Welcome to Odoo. Over here, select the CRM app and continue. The system will automatically install and set up your CRM workspace. After that, you'll be taken to the main pipeline view. Over here, click Create to make a new opportunity. Add your company name, contact email, phone number, and expected revenue. Then you can add a tag like high priority or recurring. Once you've created the opportunity, tap on it to open the full details. Over here, you'll see fields for contact information, close dates, priority, and notes. Then you can schedule follow up calls, meetings, or emails using the Activities tab. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.